Hi, teammates, beginners, professionals in the house. So it feels good to be back. This is Blazes Teachings, and if you're coming across this YouTube channel for the very first time, do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the best, which is yet to come. And if it's something that you would like to stick around with, maybe because you love what we're doing, why not? You're very welcome in our space. So this is a new channel because I had um, some problems with my phone, so the old channel is gone, and I really want to start afresh and know what it feels like beginning afresh. So this is for the love of creation, for the love of fashion and craft. Away from that, we're going to be starting off with a tutorial on how to make a cargo pant, and subsequently we're going to be bringing up other videos. And trust me, this page is going to keep it beginners friendly. So if you're just a beginner in fashion designing, you don't know much about it, from the terminologies to how to apply it, this is the page you want to be in. So while you're doing that, please just do well to subscribe and don't forget to like. And most importantly, that bell there is for you. Okay, so now without no further ado, let's get right into the video.